हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Circle is round. Circle looks like a donut. Circle looks like a ball. Circle looks like the moon. Let's say it together. Circle. Square has 4 equal sides. Square looks like a window. Square looks like a box. A little square looks like a tile. Let's say it together. Square. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle looks like a pizza slice. Triangle looks like a flag. Triangle looks like a mountain. Let's say it together. Triangle. Rectangle has long and short sides. Rectangle looks like a door. Rectangle looks like a book. Rectangle looks like a phone. Let's say it together. Rectangle. Oval is like a stretched circle. Oval looks like an egg. Oval looks like a balloon. Oval looks like a mirror. Let's say it together. Oval.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।